Yeah, I could have stayed in the past. Hell, could have even been king. But my own special way, I am king. Hail to the king, baby. Hi guys, Hounds Armor here, and before we get talking about this awesome blaster, first, the YouTube things. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button, like button, comment down that you're here for the first time. I am very glad to see all of the new subscribers I get every time I upload a video. That being said, if you're not new here, welcome back. I always love talking to everyone who watches my videos down in the comments section. If you want to support the channel more thoroughly, you can go to my Patreon or my Teespring. There are links down in the description below, and all the proceeds from that go directly back into the channel or go to getting me to events to meet you guys, my viewers. That being said, just hitting that subscribe button is a huge help. Second bit of business, yes, all of you who have been around for a while, you realize I am back shooting outside. This is because I'm at my parents' for a couple weeks in the summer before I go away for the summer and basically can't do Nerf all summer. That being said, I have built up a backlog of videos, so there will be a variety of videos coming out over the next several weeks. Hopefully there will not be a break in my upload schedule all summer. So there should be a video every other week on Wednesday for you here on my channel. So if you want to see those, hit that subscribe button. That being said, I have a thing. I have a really cool thing. This is the Levergun, one of the two, by Shellington Arms and MHP Arms. Shellington Blasters? Shellington Blasters and MHP Arms. I am so sorry. What is this? Well, if you're like me and you like sci-fi, or you like cowboys, or you like both, this is the blaster you want. I'm done. That's the review. Goodbye. No, but in all seriousness, this blaster is awesome. It is a sealed breech Springer that uses the... Dropped it! Aha! The fly point half dart shells. These are awesome, and in my current configuration, I have this set up as a 6+1. What that means is 6 shells fed in through the King's Gate bit down here, and 1 in the chamber. And all you do is you shove them in until you're full, and then you do this. Now, if that doesn't make you smile, I'm so sorry, because that should. This thing is so much fun to use. The lever action is good and smooth once you get everything broken in a little bit and lubed up. The shells are not very long to print and very fun to use. And it hits pretty good performance. Here's some average FIPS numbers that I'm getting out of the blaster right now with the included K26 and the included length barrel with the beta test hardware kit. And I need to touch on that for a second because this is a beta test model. Right now I have a hodgepodge of actual printed parts. My barrel is very old, some of my internals are very new, as well as the beta version of the hardware. No, I do not know when the hardware is going to be made available. No, I do not know when the full blaster is going to be made available. No, I cannot send you the files. No, I do not know when the files will be available. I would assume, given that most of Gdops and Heath's designs are open source on Thingiverse, these files will also be available on Thingiverse. When they are, if they are, check in the description of this video and I will update them. That being said, this is not a bad build. Gdop and Heath are not known for their easy 3D printed blaster builds, but this is not bad. I haven't built a Spring Thunder. So I can't speak in comparison to that, but I have built a Magpie, which was not an easy build, though that would be the perfect companion blaster to this. And to be honest, I think it's worth it. It takes time, and it's a little finicky to get working 100%, but once you do, it is the most fun blaster in my arsenal right now. I have the straight lever version. There is a curved lever version that gives you a little bit of a faux or a mock pistol grip with your stock. There's also several versions of a handguard length and barrel length, which also adjusts your magazine tube. there's very little I can say right now to critique this blaster because I know it's still in development and I really can't think of what's going to make it better. I do have the version with Picatinny rail on top. Yes, I do plan on putting a scope of some sort on here. I just haven't gotten around to it yet. And honestly, it's accurate enough that it could use a scope. I know there's plans, and with the newer versions of the barrel, they have thread in the front to hopefully make scar barrels that will sit inside the bit of the barrel up here that is just shroud. And I know there's more plans to make even more features and even more cool versions of this blaster. Once again, I'm just doing a quick overview of this blaster of the beta version, of course with permission from the developers. And I just want to kind of charge up a little more hype for this blaster. This is a great blaster. I would not recommend it as your first 3D printed blaster you build, but if you've built a Caliburn and maybe one or two others, I think you could build this easily. It wasn't a very hard build to me. So yeah, maybe my favorite blaster in my arsenal, and hope y'all are as excited as I am. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I love this blaster and cannot wait to announce the official release of it whenever that does come out. I will probably be boosting out that announcement over on my Instagram, so if you don't follow me on Instagram, go do that now. I'm at Hounds Armory, or you can just follow the link in the description below. Again, if you want to see more content from me, my Instagram is a great place to be, or hit that subscribe button, of course. I upload videos every other week, and that should stay stable throughout the entire summer until I come back and get to rejoin the Nerf world. That being said, if you want to support the channel more, again, I have a Patreon and a Teespring that are linked down in the description below, and I also take commissions. I currently am full on commissions, but as I get a few shipped out, I will be able to take more. I've been commissioned a lot of 3D printed blasters, and I'm excited to build more in the future. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and will consider sticking around for more by hitting that subscribe button, so I can see you all next time.